Thank you very much for having me and to discuss what we have been doing to attract more investors as KIFC. To set a bit of background, we've been in place since 5 years, almost 5 years now, and our main focus really has been to put in place a progressive and trusted framework. So that's number one. We've passed a number of laws and the regulations, always trying to be in line with international standards, as we want to be competitive, but also compliant. So a number of initiatives, laws have been passed. Our two regulatory agencies have introduced, for example, a sandbox that allow investors to come and test their solutions in a controlled environment. Second, recently, let's say like 2-3 months ago, we have, for example, concluded the first passporting license on the continent together with our partner from Ghana. So as we speak, a fintech that is operating in Rwanda can move and start operating in Ghana and vice versa. This is very instrumental, and we believe that it will attract and it will bring more investors. What set us apart really, I would say, is that is this friendly environment, business-friendly environment that we put in place, stability, political stability in the region, as well as our proactive and agility in adapting our regulation. And all of this is also supported by a world-class infrastructure and good governance. That's an important aspect of what we do. We have created a lot of I'd say initiative to develop the financial inclusion. One is to have the conversation. We every year we are hosting an important event called Inclusive FinTech Forum, where we are having discussions on challenges and any initiative that we can do to basically to support and develop those initiatives. So we've been having this event for the last 2 years, and for example, one of the discussion that came out was the lack of movement of fintech on the continent, and that's how, for example, we initiated the passporting license with Ghana. As also I mentioned earlier, we have the sandbox that allow innovators to come and test solutions that will serve and provide services to those underserved population. We have companies that are in the process of sandbox that are offering an innovative solution in terms of lending, in terms of payment, in terms of group savings. These are some of the services that underserved people cannot find in a traditional, I would say, financial sector. Yes. It's a very interesting question. We are reaching our 5 years strategic plan. We've done quite well. We had a very ambitious target in terms of numbers of companies that we have to attract, in terms of asset under management, and we are ticking those boxes. So we are quite exciting. So we are looking now ahead. But if you ask me, I think we will still focus on fintech. Fintech is very important for us. We will still, for example, expanding those passporting license with other key markets. We are negotiating with other key countries. So fintech, number one. Number two, I would say, is also try to attract more private capital. So we have a framework, for example, for private equity and VC funds to be domiciled in Rwanda, and this is the the reason I'm present here at the AVCA is really to create awareness and to make sure that fund managers, asset managers, even the development partners understand what KIFC is offering, what are the benefits, what are the process, the cost of setting up, and also to inform that we are up and running. We are here with some already investors that have set up. So we try to continue create that awareness. Third, I think, and this is also part of the discussion that is going on within this forum, is to develop the capital market. So we also are taking a lot of initiatives to develop and to open our capital markets even to the region and to the continent. One key element in this context is to allow investors to list, for example, in foreign currency. As we speak, if you want to use our capital market, it will be in the local currency, which is not very attractive for continental or for the regional investors. So we are changing the regulation. We are working with partners, and this will allow, for example, investors to come and list on the capital markets in USD or in Euro. And we are also trying to open what we call a green window on our exchange, meaning that regional projects, like in terms of green and sustainable finance, could, for example, come and raise money on our stock exchange. So these are the three, let's say, focus that we want to continue improving on. Yeah. We are very happy. We are a very happy member of AVCA. We've been a member of AVCA for the last, say, 4 years. This is our third participation, and it has been amazing. So our role is really to put KIFC on the map. So this is the best gathering on the continent. So we are always sponsoring the event. We are also we organize side events whenever we are attending AVCA, and we collaborate with AVCA team to invite target investors. And we've seen impact on us participating and attending AVCA. People understand more and more what we do, and we see investors coming and start engaging us, and some of them actually have structured investment vehicles in Rwanda.